In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import, edit, and re-export MOGRT templates in After Effects. Before we jump into After Effects, let's quickly locate the motion graphics template you'll be working with. MOGRT files end with the .MOGRT extension, and you'll typically find them in your Downloads folder or your Project's Assets folder if they came from a marketplace like Adobe Stock or Motion Array, or if they were exported from After Effects previously. Make sure the file you have really ends with .MOGRT so you know you're starting with the right asset. Here's an important distinction. Unlike Premiere Pro, After Effects doesn't install MOGRTs directly. Instead, After Effects expects you to work from the original project that created the template. If you already have that project, perfect, you'll open it. If you only have the .MOGRT file, no problem. You can turn it back into an After Effects project by renaming the file extension from .MOGRT to .zip. After you rename it, extract the zip. Inside the extracted folder, you'll find the .aep project file, often alongside any required media. Now open the project, double-click the .aep file to launch it in After Effects. Once it loads, you'll see the full structure that powers the template, compositions, layers, pre-comps, and the essential graphics setup that exposes the editable controls. If you're prompted about missing fonts or media, go ahead and relink or replace those so your preview looks as intended. With the project open, head to the Essential Graphics panel to make your edits. This is where you can quickly adjust text fields, swap in your logo, and tweak colors or checkboxes designed by the template creator. Make small changes, preview, and play it back to confirm timing and animations. If you want deeper customization, you can open the relevant compositions and refine animation curves, layer timing, or effects. Keep an eye on any expressions tied to the essential graphics controls to ensure they continue to drive the right elements after your edits. When you're happy with the result, you can package your changes as a fresh MOGRT. Go to Window, open Essential Graphics, select your master composition, confirm the control list looks right, and choose Export Motion Graphics Template. Give it a clear new name and description so you can tell it apart from the original, then export it to your local templates folder or a custom location. This new MOGRT is now ready to use in Premiere Pro with your edits neatly exposed for quick adjustments. And that's it. Locate, unpack if needed, open, customize, and re-export a polished MOGRT for streamlined use in your editing workflow.